So I will show you now how to install this holder for the belt on the waistline. Just hide the edge at the back, then fold it like that, then flatten it like this again. So it's easy. Three holder at the front and at the back three as well. So what will I do is one here near to the end of the side, one as well here, and one here beside the button, because if I will close my belt, I need holder, so the belt or my pants will not go down, right? So I will do first on the middle. I will hide the stitches of the okay. I want it here on closing the button and the zipper, so it will be firm here. This is the zipper, and it will close the button. I want it near to that, so just stitch it like that, and then it will be like that, right? So even at the bottom of the here, just estimate, and then you fold here and then stitch here. So this one need to be estimate first at the top how long they will be. So this is now okay. So this one must not be too much short, the allowance, just enough, right? So I will just fold it. You just estimate like this. It must be estimated like that. You have to pin like this. Okay. So I have so much allowance. I can move it longer because my belt is, I think, 1 inch width is this. So I need to measure if it is 1 inch. Oh, it's more, 1.5, because I have so much allowance. That's good than short. So it's more clean if I will stitch. Oh, it's too thick. It will create problem. So just below the waistband. If it's very thick, the needle cannot cannot stitch it. So you have to figure out like that. This one will be having stitch here. This one below the waistband. So I will remove this because I cannot stitch the bottom. There. Because the stitch here is like that. Here. So it will be neat like that, right? I cannot stitch it with my hand anymore. I'm rushing. So, let's begin. At the bottom first before at the top, before the top. You just hold it. Straight stitch already there. Set up there. It's very short stitch. I will just double it because single stitching sometimes it will be broken. So like that. What would happen is if you fold like that, so it's neat, right? The stitch will not be seen there. I double the stitch. So, but at the top, the stitch will be visible because it's hard to stitch. It you will do like this, very hard. So, just like that. Or the other people, other manufacturer, they just put inside like that here. So many technique that you can create, especially when you're already a long time clothing maker. You will have many ideas, technique like that. You can do that, but I don't like that. I will just do this. I will just stitch at the top, okay? No complication. Oh, sorry for that. There we go. So I will stitch at the top. There. I will put it to number 9. It's very thick. Sometimes the needle will be broken. It will happen if the fabric is so your sewing is very thick, or double folding like that, like this. Done. Now, sometimes it is excess, it's okay, you just cut like that. After a perfect estimating, is still have excess. It's okay. It's normal. I'm done with one. I'm done with one holder of the belt. It's cute, right? And then I will cut again the video because it's very long. I will do the two beside this front middle of the front pants.